Hey, it's Matt with Custom Car Grills, and we've got these new aluminum emblems that can be printed with full color graphics. These are UV resistant and customizable with almost any image imaginable. From portraits to cancer awareness to military service, you can make your vehicle as unique as you want by adding one of these to your grill. To mount one of these, we include 2 flat black stainless rings. There's also 3 1-inch black bolts, 3 plastic washers, as well as 3 lock nuts and a hex key. It's important to note for these to fit properly on our meshes, the mounting holes in the rings needed to be offset a little bit. What this means is that the holes will only line up in one direction, so if all 3 holes are not lined up, then one of the rings needs to be rotated for proper alignment. Let me grab a grill and I'll show you how these mount to the mesh. For this one, I'm torn between the tricolor Yoda badge and this Army logo, but I think the Army badge wins out this round. Next, I'll grab the bolts and plastic washers. Just simply feed the washers onto the bolts like so, and repeat for all 3 bolts. Then feed the bolts through the holes on the edge of one of the rings, and place the printed aluminum disc behind the ring with the bolts. As for placement, again, the holes on the rings are not perfectly symmetrical. It may take a few adjustments to get all 3 to line up with the mesh pattern. The second ring that's included needs to be oriented in the exact same way as the front ring, and this is placed behind the grill mesh like so. To temporarily hold the back ring in place, use the 3 nuts and hand tighten them on. Now it's time to grab the hex key, and you'll also need a 1/4-inch socket or wrench. The bolts that are included are 1 inch long, so depending on the thickness of the grill that this is being installed on, there might just be a few turns of the wrench, or quite a few. Before doing the final tightening, make sure that the emblem is straight and level. Once satisfied with the positioning, then give the nuts one final tightening so that the emblem doesn't move around, but make sure to not over-tighten the fasteners. Here's a look of how one of these turns out. Overall, this blends with the mesh very well, and it's a great add-on that really brings a uniqueness to this grill. Installation is easy, and if you change your mind later on, it's easy to swap out for a different one. Let's say that I really want to try out that tricolor Yoda emblem. I can simply unfasten the nuts and pull this Army emblem out and slide in the other one. It's just that easy. There's tons of possibilities when it comes to this emblem. To purchase one, have your artwork ready at the time of purchase, and on the order confirmation screen there will be a image upload button that will allow you to send us the image that you want printed. Please note though that the image should be cropped to a square format, and keep in mind that the emblem is circular, so the corners will be cut off. Well, that's all I have for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions then feel free to contact me, and thanks for watching.